I'd like to introduce you to a new cheese that we have in our shop. And this is a blue cheese from Sardinia, made with sheep milk, which makes a big difference from being produced from cow's milk, like gorgonzola and other cheeses. And because sheep milk is a bit like goat cheese, so it's quite a healthy cheese to eat. This blue cheese is particularly quite strong. It's called Ovinforth. Ovinforth as Roquefort. Ovin is from sheep. It's Sardinian. And I have to say, it's one of my favorite cheeses at the moment, which you can have with this Pane Guttiau from Sardinia. There's a little box here. It's a great meal on its own. And with a bottle of our new wine of the month called Medius. Now this wine is 2011. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon Canonau blend of various Sardinian grapes. And this wine I find is absolutely fantastic. It's like drinking an old Bordeaux, and at a very good price of £19.50. You can taste leather, you can taste smoked tobacco. It's the best wine to pair with this cheese. I mean, you could drink quite a lot of this wine smooth with this blue cheese. And I really highly recommend the whole combination without having to go crazy to prepare amazing dinner. Thank you.